So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we are in the day 9. Yes, we are in the day 9 of the AI Agents Voice Challenge. So here we'll cover the day 9 assignment tutorial guide, and before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do hype the video and share the channel among your community members. And many of you are requesting regarding the arcade program complete guide map. So here is the video. You can watch it and understand and just complete the challenge. So let's come over here. Before that, before we come to the day 9, come to the playlist, and here you can see I've shared the entire playlist. From here you have to first of all complete the day 1 over here. Okay, this one setup. Make sure to complete the setup. If you miss the setup, you won't be able to complete the challenge. Okay, so like this you have to wait, and let's come to the day 9 challenge. What is the challenge? Let's explore. So in day 9 challenge, we have to build a e-commerce agent. Like here, we will describe what we want to buy, or the agent will describe us, and then we'll have to just say that we want this kind of thing, like for example, a hoodie or a t-shirt or tee, etc. Like this, it will just place the order and create a JSON file. So all these things will be covered in the demo. So let's move to the demo. First thing is that in the description box, I've shared this setup repository also. So first of all, we'll come to the VS Code over here, and here you have to just open the terminal like this. Okay, if you are unable to see the terminal, just click on these three dots. It will be available over here. You have to click on these three dots and new terminal. Okay, so like this, you have to open new terminal each time, and first you have to run this code. If I have to show you, let me just show you the code. This run the services individually. You have to run it like this first of all, paste it, and then copy the second command. Click on this plus icon, similarly paste over here. Similarly for the third one also, you have to copy it and paste over here like this. Okay, once you paste it, after that you have to just come over here. If I have to show you, let me just show you which URL you have to click. Okay, so after that, in the front end page, this URL you have to open it, and once you open it, it will look like this. Okay, and after that we have to test the agent. So let me do a quick demo so that you are able to understand the process how we have to complete this particular challenge. So let's move ahead. So let's demo it right now. So first of all, let me unmute it and let me just talk with it. Hi, you can just use the chat option also.
Namaste. Ronald Kaka at your service. How can I help you today? Looking for some cool mugs, hoodies, or tees? I can show you our catalog.
Looking for hoodies.
Ah, hoodies. We have two lovely ones. The cozy hoodie for 1,499 Indian rupees and the black zip hoodie for 1,299 Indian rupees. Which one catches your eye?
Black zip hoodie.
Great choice. What size would you like for the black zip hoodie? We have S, M, L, and XL.
2 XL size, 1 L size.
2XL black zip hoodies and 1L black zip hoodie are now in your cart. Anything else I can get for you? Or would you like to see your cart?
Can you just list some more items?
Certainly. Here are some more items from our shop. We have the stoneware chai mug for 299 Indian rupees, the DR Abhishek tea for 799 Indian rupees, the cozy hoodie for 1,499 Indian rupees, and the insulated travel mug for 599 Indian rupees. See anything you like?
Just place the order.
Wonderful. Your order, ID order B307714, has been placed for a total of 3,897 Indian rupees. Thank you for shopping with Raul Kaka. Is there anything else I
So here you can clearly see that the items which I ordered is listed over here. You can see the item with their sizes also and the time stamps. So if I have to just check more items, so let me just check. So what are the more items which are available? Can you list over here?
Of course. Let me show you what else we have. We have the stoneware chai mug for 299 Indian rupees.
Can you
The
add
DR
that to
Bishop
cart?
tea. Which items would you like to add to your cart? I just mentioned the stoneware chai mug for 299
Yes,
Indian
that
rupees.
only. Add it.
Great. How many stoneware chai mugs would you like to add?
2.
Two stoneware chai mugs are now in your cart. Anything else for you, my friend?
No, place the order.
Just to confirm, you'd like to place an order for the two stoneware chai mugs?
Yes.
Your order, ID order 42BNN, has been placed for a total of 598 Indian rupees. Thank you for your purchase. What else can I do for you today?
So like this, you have to complete this challenge. All the codes are available over here. And for the code, how you will find the code? Let me just show you. I will share the link in the description. You have to just check for the, if I have to just show you the structure. So you have to just come over here to the repository. I mean the link which I will click will be directly visible to you. So from there you have to just come over here to the branch over here. Okay, like here I'll create a 9 branch and I'll share the link in the description. You can check it out. So do not worry about anything. If you face any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead. And if you face any issue, like any issue if you are facing, you can comment down below. So thank you, have a great day ahead.